Ship watertight door problems explained. Fault finding made easy. Let's locate the leak. Here is the crack. Know the faults, ensure safety.
Welcome back to Marine Electrical Made Easy. In this video, we will learn about the common faults found in a ship's watertight door. Let us begin with the first two common problems. The first problem is the door does not open. This can happen due to several reasons, such as no electrical power, a blown fuse, a tripped circuit breaker, motor failure, the hydraulic pump not running, or the gate rail being jammed. The second problem is the door does not close properly. The possible causes include dirt or any obstruction in the gate rail, a damaged rubber gasket, low hydraulic pressure, a faulty limit switch, or a misaligned door. Regular inspection and cleaning can prevent many of these faults. Now let us look at hydraulic and alarm system faults. Hydraulic faults may occur because of a low hydraulic oil level, oil leakage, air trapped inside the hydraulic system, pump failure, faulty hydraulic valves, or worn hydraulic cylinder seals. These problems reduce the door's operating performance and must be repaired immediately. Another important area is the alarm system. If the door open alarm does not work, it may be due to a faulty buzzer, damaged indicator lamp, defective alarm switch, broken wiring, or a faulty control module. Always test the alarm system during routine maintenance because it is an important safety feature on board. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to Marine Electrical Made Easy for more simple marine engineering lessons. See you in the next video. Thank you.